Hello children, welcome to the class. Today we are going to learn about letter writing. Letters are an effective means of communication. In spite of the advent of modern technologies, letters still hold their important and prominent place in the field of communication. Now letters are categorized into two types, formal letters and informal letters. Formal letters are official letters and business letters, whereas informal letters are personal letters, that is letters to friends and relations. Now we need to know certain things because today's topic is letter to the editor, so we need to know certain things about formal letters. Now formal letters have set pattern and are generally written to officials regarding serious issues. These letters can be written in a crisp and clear pattern and a matter-of-fact style. The language should be kept simple without including unnecessary expressions. This is a formal letter, so the language has to be simple and formal. So now we come to the topic, that is letter to the editor. So first we start with the purpose of writing letters to the editor. Such letters voice the opinion of the people and provide them a platform to express their views. They provide a forum to their readers to express their feelings and reactions to local, national or international issues. So now we are going to discuss the main elements of a letter, that is the format of the letter. First, sender's address. So you need to remember certain things here. Never put the sender's name here, and you must not use comma at the end of each line. Next, date. Write the full date. Next is receiver's address. Receivers, here you need to write receiver's name or rank and full address. Now in letters to the editor, you need to, the first line will be the editor followed by the name of the newspaper, and the third line you need to write the address. After the receiver address comes the subject. Indicate the theme of the letter here, and it should be short to the point. Now one more thing I want to tell here, that the subject can be written after the receiver's address or after the salutation. Next, salutation, it is the customary greeting. Next is the body of the letter, that is the content. Usually it is written in 3 paragraphs, but it may be shorter or longer. First paragraph is the introduction paragraph, the introductory paragraph. Here the first paragraph states the purpose of writing the letter. The informative paragraph, that is the information paragraph, here you write in detail about the subject of the letter. Last one is the conclusion, the concluding paragraph. Here you give state hope, request or comment, and then you end the letter with the complimentary closer. Here you are supposed to write the name and the designation of the sender. Now let us have a look at the format. The sender's address, date, receiver's address, subject, salutation, the body of the letter, usually in 3 paragraphs, and the complimentary closer. Hope this is going to help you write your letter to the editor. Thank you.